Is your AC not cooling like it used to? Or maybe it's making those weird noises again? Let's dive into the most common AC problems and their easy fixes. Is your AC not cooling properly? Let's troubleshoot it together. First, check if the air filters are dirty. A quick clean or replacement might do the trick. Next, take a look at your thermostat settings. Make sure they're set correctly. If the refrigerant is low, it's time to call a technician for a recharge. These simple steps can help you stay cool without breaking a sweat. Ever notice a puddle under your AC unit? It's probably a blocked drain pipe or a frozen evaporator coil. Here's how to fix it in 2 simple steps. Step 1. Clean out that drain pipe. Step 2. Let the coil defrost and check the airflow. Boom! Problem solved. No plumber required. Y'all see this? Keep your home dry and cool, or keep mopping up. Your choice. Ever hear those weird noises coming from your AC unit? It's not a ghost, but it could be loose parts or a fan motor issue. First, turn off the unit and check for any loose screws or debris. If you're not sure, it's time to call in a technician. Don't ignore it. Fix it before it becomes a bigger problem. Stay cool and keep your AC running smoothly. Ever notice a bad smell coming from your AC? It's probably mold or bacteria lurking in the unit. Here's how to fix it in 2 simple steps. Step 1. Clean the unit thoroughly. Step 2. Use an antibacterial spray to keep it fresh. And just like that, your air is clean and odor-free. No more funky smells, just fresh, cool air. Try it out and breathe easy. Use code FRESH20 for a special discount. Or keep dealing with the stink, your choice. Ever wonder why your AC isn't turning on? It might be a tripped breaker or a faulty capacitor. First, check your circuit board for any tripped breakers. If everything looks fine, it could be the capacitor. Replacing a faulty capacitor might just do the trick. And just like that, your AC is back to keeping you cool. Stay chill and troubleshoot smart. Regular maintenance and basic checks can solve many AC problems. If issues continue, always consult a professional technician. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye, take care.